Are you concocting plans for an unforgettable summer vacation? Have you ever thought about Amsterdam? Imagine basking in the Dutch sunshine, strolling through the city's maze of canals, and soaking up the rich tapestry of history and culture. Amsterdam, with its unique charm, offers an unparalleled summer experience that goes beyond the typical. From its iconic tulip fields to its storied cobblestone streets, there's no shortage of adventures to be had. Stick around as we count down the top 5 summer vacations in Amsterdam. Starting at number 5, we have cycling through the city. Now, if you've ever heard anything about Amsterdam, it's probably about its iconic canals or its enchanting tulip fields. But let me tell you, the city's love affair with bicycles is something that's truly fascinating. In Amsterdam, you'll find bicycles in every nook and cranny. It's an integral part of the city's lifestyle, a cultural phenomenon that goes beyond mere transportation. It's about freedom, sustainability, and a unique way to engage with the city's vibrant rhythm. With more bicycles than people, Amsterdam is often referred to as the bicycle capital of the world. The city's infrastructure is designed with cyclists in mind, which makes it a paradise for bike enthusiasts. Dedicated bike lanes, bike-friendly traffic signals, and ubiquitous bike parking stations are a testament to this. This cycling culture is not just about convenience, it's a celebration of a way of life that values health, environment, and the joy of the simple things. As you cycle through the city, you'll get to see Amsterdam from a fresh perspective. Pedal along the scenic canals, navigate through the bustling streets of the city center, or take a leisurely ride in the serene parks, each route offering a unique glimpse into the city's soul. Some of the highlights include the picturesque Prinsengracht, the lively Leidseplein, and the tranquil Vondelpark. Not to forget the historic Jordaan district with its narrow streets and quaint houses. And of course, you can't miss the iconic Rijksmuseum, where you can ride through an archway that literally takes you under the museum. So, whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a newbie, cycling in Amsterdam is an adventure you'll cherish. You get to explore at your own pace, taking in the city's stunning architecture, its vibrant markets, and its soothing green spaces, all while enjoying the excitement of a city that truly lives on 2 wheels. For a truly local experience, a cycling tour of Amsterdam is not to be missed. Coming in at number 4, we suggest cruising the canals. Amsterdam, often dubbed as the Venice of the North, is a city that's truly defined by its waterways. The city's canals, over 165 in number, stretch for over 50 kilometers and are lined with charming 17th-century houses, creating a picturesque landscape that's nothing short of magical. Imagine gliding through these tranquil waters as the city's history unfolds before you. That's what canal cruising in Amsterdam is all about. It offers a unique perspective of the city that you simply can't get from the streets. Each bridge you pass under, each building you float by, has a story to tell. Now let's talk about the different types of canal cruises available. For those who are looking for a laid-back, scenic ride, a leisurely daytime cruise is a perfect choice. But the beauty of Amsterdam's canals doesn't fade as the sun goes down. In fact, it takes on a whole new charm. The city lights reflecting off the water surface, the illuminated bridges, the beautifully lit canal houses. It's a sight to behold, and a nighttime canal cruise is the best way to experience it. For the romantics out there, imagine dining under the stars, on the water, surrounded by the twinkling lights of the city. Yes, that's right. Amsterdam offers romantic dinner cruises that are perfect for a special night out. And for those who are interested in the rich history of Amsterdam, there are informative historical tours that take you on a journey through the city's past, revealing fascinating tales of its golden age, its architecture, and its people. Canal cruising is a quintessential Amsterdam experience that should definitely be on your itinerary. It's more than just sightseeing, it's a journey through time, a celebration of the city's heritage, and an adventure that leaves you with an indelible imprint of Amsterdam's unique charm. Our third pick for the best summer vacation in Amsterdam is museum hopping. Truly, Amsterdam is a city that celebrates culture and history in the most splendid way, through its rich tapestry of museums. Let's start with the Van Gogh Museum. This is an unmissable stop for any art lover. Housing the world's largest collection of works by Vincent van Gogh, this museum offers an intimate look at the artist's life, his inspirations, and his evolution as a painter. From the potato eaters to sunflowers, the Van Gogh Museum promises a journey through the canvas of one of history's great masters. Moving on, we have the Anne Frank House. It's more than just a museum, it's a poignant remembrance of a dark chapter in history. This is where Anne Frank and her family hid during the Second World War. Walking through the secret annex, one can almost feel the palpable fear and hope that once resided within these walls. It's a deeply moving experience that reminds us of the enduring power of the human spirit. For a lighter yet equally enriching experience, there's the Rijksmuseum, the Dutch National Museum. It's a treasure trove of art and history, spanning 8 centuries. From Rembrandt's The Night Watch to Vermeer's The Milkmaid, the Rijksmuseum showcases the best of Dutch art. Then, there's the Stedelijk Museum, a must-visit for modern and contemporary art enthusiasts. Here you'll find works by the likes of Picasso, Warhol, and Mondrian, making it a vibrant celebration of creativity and innovation. But Amsterdam's museum scene isn't limited to just art and history. There's the Nemo Science Museum, the Tropen Museum, the Amsterdam Museum, and so many more. Each offers a unique experience, a different lens to view the world through. Whether you're an art enthusiast or history buff, a science geek or a culture vulture, Amsterdam's museums have something for everyone. So, when you're in this city of canals, be sure to set aside some time for museum hopping. It's an adventure in learning and discovery that's sure to add layers to your Amsterdam experience. At number 2, we recommend picnicking in Vondelpark. This verdant oasis is the lung of Amsterdam, a place where nature and culture collide in the most delightful of ways. Covering an area of 47 hectares, Vondelpark is the largest city park in Amsterdam, and certainly the most famous park in the Netherlands, welcoming around 10 million visitors every year. Vondelpark is more than just a park. It's a vibrant social hub where locals and tourists alike gather to soak in the sun, engage in outdoor activities, or simply relax with friends and family. The park is a tapestry of scenic beauty, dotted with tranquil ponds, lush fields, and meandering pathways that invite you to explore its every nook and cranny. As you step into this green paradise, you're welcomed by an array of amenities designed to enhance your experience. There are several playgrounds for the little ones to frolic, an open-air theater that hosts a variety of performances during the summer months, and a multitude of cafes where you can grab a quick bite or enjoy a leisurely meal. But what truly sets Vondelpark apart is the sheer variety of activities you can indulge in. From jogging and cycling to roller skating and bird watching, there's something for everyone. And of course, picnicking. Picture this: a blanket spread on the grass under the gentle shade of a tree, a basket full of delicious treats, and the company of your loved ones. It's an idyllic scene straight out of a postcard. Vondelpark is not just a place, it's an experience. It's where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city, immerse yourself in nature, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a culture vulture, or just someone looking for a place to unwind, Vondelpark offers an experience that is as diverse as it is delightful. So pack your picnic basket, put on some comfortable shoes, and get ready to explore this urban Eden. For a relaxing day in the outdoors, you can't beat a picnic in Vondelpark. And finally, our top recommendation for a summer vacation in Amsterdam is exploring the Jordaan district. This district, steeped in history and brimming with picturesque charm, is a must-visit. The narrow alleyways and quaint buildings, each with its unique architecture, tell a story of Amsterdam's past and present. The Jordaan district is not just about beautiful sights, it's also a hot spot for food lovers. From traditional Dutch pancakes to international cuisine, the district's vibrant food scene is sure to delight your taste buds. Besides, the area is known for its bustling shopping scene. Vintage boutiques, art galleries, and unique souvenir shops line the streets, offering everything from fashion to home decor. And let's not forget the weekly organic food market, where you can sample and buy fresh produce and local delicacies. So, to fully immerse yourself in Amsterdam's culture and lifestyle, spend a day wandering the Jordaan district. And there you have it, our top 5 recommendations for a summer vacation in Amsterdam. From cycling through the city's charming streets, cruising the iconic canals, immersing yourself in rich culture at the museums, to picnicking in Vondelpark and exploring the unique Jordaan district, Amsterdam has it all. Each experience is a chapter in the delightful story that is Amsterdam. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, safe travels.